Hello everybody. In this short video I am going to demonstrate a new feature in AndBible 5.0, inline cross-references. So cross-references, like here we have ESV. If you press this cross-references, you will normally get a pop-up dialog like this, and which gives you the links to cross references that are in this document, meaning it is based on this document, which is in this case it is ESV. But instead of this pop-up window, it is possible in this new version also to have them inline in text. So if you want to make it for this setting for whole workspace, you just click from here and then all text options, and then you select inline cross references. And as you see, all those contents of those pop-ups are now displayed inline in text. And it is formatted as it is formatted in this original document. So I cannot avoid temptation to show you also, if you happen to have multiple windows and you just want to make it for one window, it is possible to make it from window button and text options, and now it is also here as a shortcut, but like all text options or inline cross references like this. Now it is not affecting the other window. So as you see here in the below window, it is still as a pop-up window. So thank you for watching this little tips and tricks video. As always, I will put a link in the description where you can support AndBible development financially. Thank you.